December. The world is getting cold, but Africa is calling. Escape the winter blues and embrace an adventure unlike any other. But what if you're on a budget? No problem. This December, let's explore 5 incredible African countries, packed with experiences that won't break the bank. Our first stop is Tanzania. Imagine millions of wildebeest and zebra thundering across the plains, their hooves drumming a rhythm you can feel in your heart. This is the Great Migration, a spectacle of nature unlike anything you've ever seen. But how can you see it on budget? We'll show you before the end of this video. So, stick around. Tanzania is more than just wildlife. Meet the Maasai people, proud guardians of the land for centuries. Learn about their culture, traditions, and way of life. You can share a meal with them, learn about their way of life, and connect with a culture that's both fascinating and welcoming. Big question. What would you like to learn about the Maasai? Now, let's journey south to Zimbabwe, where Victoria Falls awaits. Imagine the spray on your face, the mist in your hair, and the thunderous roar of water crashing over the precipice. This is the largest waterfall in the world, a breathtaking sight. You can go for whitewater rafting, bungee jump, or simply stand in awe. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Next, we travel north to Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids. Picture yourself cruising the Nile River at sunset, the water reflecting the sky in 1,000 shades of orange and pink. Visit the majestic pyramids of Giza, stand in awe before the Sphinx, and uncover the mysteries of a civilization that's captivated the world for thousands of years.
I think I can make a rhythm.
Now, let's head west to Morocco.
Make a rhythm. Make a rhythm.
a land of vibrant culture and exotic charm.
Make a rhythm.
The city of Marrakesh is a whirlwind of colors, sounds, and aromas. Wander through the souk, haggle for beautiful carpets and spices, and enjoy a delicious tagine under the stars. Morocco will awaken your senses and leave you wanting more. Finally, we reach Rwanda, home to the gentle giants of the rainforest. Imagine trekking through lush green forests and encountering gorillas in their natural habitat. Their presence is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of nature. It's an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after you leave. What's your dream wildlife encounter in Rwanda? So, there you have it, 5 incredible African countries, each offering unique experiences. But you might be wondering about the costs. Don't worry. Africa's a continent of diverse experiences, and prices vary accordingly. You can find budget-friendly options in all these countries, from hostels to local food markets. And if you're looking for luxury, there are incredible resorts and experiences waiting for you as well. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Africa on a budget? Share your favorite destinations, tips for budget travel, and let's plan the ultimate December adventure together.